Take command of the road in the 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as front and rear reading lights, voice-activated navigation, a power seat, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated door mirrors, rain-sensing wipers, and a split-folding rear seat. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Come on in and take a test drive.